Welcome to our channel, Blue Crab, Farming at Home. Today we are diving into an exciting and rewarding topic, blue crab farming at home, with a focus on spawning. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced aquaculturist, this may help you understand the basics of breeding and raising blue crabs in a controlled environment. Blue crabs reproduce by a process called spawning, where a mature female crab releases fertilized eggs into the water. Here's what you need to know. The mating season. Blue crabs typically mate in brackish water, with females storing sperm until they are ready to spawn. A single female can carry up to 2 million eggs in her sponge-like egg mass. The eggs hatch into larvae called zoea and go through multiple stages before becoming juvenile crabs. Getting blue crabs to spawn in captivity is difficult because their natural reproductive cycle is complex and requires very specific conditions. Here's why it's such a challenge. Salinity requirements. Female blue crabs need high salinity water to successfully spawn in captivity. Maintaining the right salinity levels and replicating their natural habitat is difficult. In the wild, blue crabs follow a natural migration pattern where females mate in lower salinity waters and then move to higher salinity areas to spawn. Recreating this process in captivity is tricky because it requires controlling their movements and environment at different life stages. Spawning triggers. Blue crabs rely on environmental cues such as water temperature, daylight cycles, and tidal movements to spawn. Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means the world to us. Every like, comment, and subscription helps us grow, create better content, and keep bringing you awesome videos. Let's build this community together. Thank you for watching. Now let's dive into the video. Remember, crab life is hard. Replicating these natural triggers in captivity is difficult. Larval survival rates. Even if a female successfully spawns, the larvae, called zoea, are extremely delicate. They require precise water conditions, the right type of plankton for food, and protection from disease. High mortality rates make raising them to adulthood very challenging. Unlike other marine species, blue crab aquaculture has not been widely commercialized due to these difficulties. Most crabs in the seafood market are still caught in the wild because breeding them in captivity is not yet cost-effective. All these challenges make it incredibly hard to get blue crabs to spawn and grow in captivity, which is why most blue crab farming focus on growing juveniles from the wild rather than breeding them. But we are continuing to learn an effective way to accomplish this goal, one life stage at a time. Raising blue crabs is hard work because it requires constant attention, careful environmental management, and hands-on labor. Blue crabs need clean, brackish water with the right balance of salinity, temperature, and oxygen levels. Harvesting blue crabs, especially soft shell crabs, requires frequent checking because they only stay in the soft shell stage for a short time. Missing the right moment means losing valuable product. High mortality risks. Disease, poor water conditions, and stress can lead to high mortality rates, making it a constant challenge to maintain a healthy population. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel at Blue Crab Farming at Home. We truly appreciate your support. We are located in Pennsylvania, and we are very excited with our progress so far. We, of course, wish for faster results, but we are dedicated to make this work. I personally think if we succeed, it could change the entire worldview on this type of farming. There is a lot of conflicting information on this subject, and we are dedicated to document what we find and publish our results, which we hope would be a blueprint to success. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Your support helps us grow and create more amazing videos for you.